In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety and well-being of your baby is a top priority for parents. With the advancement of technology, baby monitors have evolved to provide not just basic audio and video monitoring, but also a suite of smart features designed to enhance child safety and parental peace of mind. The Ellie Baby Plus monitor stands out in this crowded market, offering a unique combination of non-Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi capabilities, advanced artificial intelligence features, and robust security measures. This review delves into the various aspects of the Ellie Baby Plus monitor, exploring its key features, usability, and overall performance. The Ellie Baby monitor comes neatly packaged with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you'll find a welcome guide, the camera unit, the handheld monitor, and various cables and mounting hardware. The setup process is straightforward, even for those who might not be tech-savvy. The camera needs to be plugged into a power source, as it does not run on batteries, and the monitor unit can be placed on a table or dresser using the built-in stand. While the monitor isn't touchscreen, its user-friendly interface ensures that navigating through the settings and features is a breeze. The Ellie Baby Plus boasts a sleek and modern design that blends seamlessly into any nursery decor. The camera unit, designed with a cute animal motif, debated to be either a penguin or a whale, adds a touch of whimsy while maintaining functionality. The camera's 360-degree swivel capability is a standout feature, allowing you to rotate it in all directions to get a complete view of the room. This is particularly useful for tracking a toddler's movements in a playroom. The camera also includes temperature and humidity sensors, providing real-time environmental data to ensure your baby's comfort. One of the most significant advantages of the Ellie Baby Plus monitor is its non-Wi-Fi mode, which addresses the growing concerns about privacy and cybersecurity. By opting out of a Wi-Fi connection, parents can rest assured that their baby's data is not being transmitted over the internet, reducing the risk of hacking or unauthorized access. The monitor supports local storage via a microSD card, allowing you to store all footage and data directly on the device. This feature is a major selling point for parents who prioritize privacy but still want access to advanced monitoring features. For those times when you need to step out or are traveling, the Ellie Baby Plus offers the flexibility of Wi-Fi connectivity. By connecting the monitor to the Wi-Fi network and the accompanying mobile app, you can keep an eye on your baby from anywhere. This dual functionality makes the Ellie Baby Plus a versatile option for various parenting scenarios. Whether you're at home and prefer the security of non-Wi-Fi mode or need to monitor your baby remotely, this monitor has you covered. The Ellie Baby Plus monitor is equipped with a range of AI-driven safety features designed to provide comprehensive monitoring. These include cry detection, face covering detection, rollover detection, and breathing monitoring. The monitor's artificial intelligence capabilities also extend to sleep analysis, offering a 7-day sleep report that helps parents track their baby's sleep patterns and make informed decisions about their sleep schedule. The virtual fence feature is particularly noteworthy, allowing you to set a boundary within the camera's view. If your baby or toddler crosses this boundary, the monitor will send an alert, providing an extra layer of security. The video quality on the Ellie Baby Plus is exceptional. With a Quad HD camera that delivers clear and crisp images, both day and night, the 5-inch LCD screen on the parent unit displays video in 720 pixel, providing a detailed view of your baby at all times. The monitor also offers up to 5x digital zoom, allowing you to get a closer look when needed. The night vision feature ensures that you can monitor your baby in low-light conditions without any loss of clarity. Audio quality is equally impressive, with two-way communication that enables you to talk to your baby through the monitor or app, offering comfort and reassurance from a distance. The handheld monitor is designed with usability in mind. While it lacks a touchscreen, the physical buttons are responsive and easy to navigate. The monitor's battery life is another strong point. With the ability to last up to 24 hours on a single charge in power-saving mode, this ensures that you won't have to constantly recharge the device, even with continuous use. For those who prefer a longer battery life, the power-saving mode can provide 5 to 7 days of usage, making it ideal for travel or extended periods away from home. The Ellie Baby Plus monitor is packed with additional features that enhance its functionality. The preloaded lullabies are a thoughtful touch, automatically playing when the monitor detects your baby crying. This cry-soothing feature can be a lifesaver during the night, helping to calm your baby without requiring immediate intervention. The monitor also supports media capture, allowing you to take pictures and record videos directly from the device. These can be saved to the SD card, creating a visual diary of your baby's early days. In conclusion, the Ellie Baby Plus monitor is a standout product in the crowded baby monitor market. Its dual functionality, combining non-Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi modes, offers unparalleled flexibility and peace of mind. The advanced artificial intelligence features, coupled with high-quality video and audio, ensure that parents have all the tools they need to monitor their baby's safety effectively. While the lack of a touchscreen on the monitor might be a minor drawback for some, the overall ease of use, robust security features, and competitive pricing make the Ellie Baby Plus a top contender for any parent seeking a reliable and versatile baby monitor. Whether you're a first-time parent or looking to upgrade your current monitor, the Ellie Baby Plus is worth serious consideration.